Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a deep dive into something we experience every second of every day, but probably don't think about much: the air around us. Get ready, because these insane but true facts about Earth's atmosphere are going to completely blow your mind. Let's start with a little perspective shift. How thick do you think the atmosphere really is? It feels vast, right? Well, picture this. If the Earth were the size of a regular apple, our entire atmosphere, the very thing that protects us from the harshness of space and gives us air to breathe, would be thinner than the skin of that apple. It's this incredibly delicate paper-thin layer that makes all life on our planet possible. Isn't that wild? It's both humbling and a little bit terrifying when you think about it. So what is this life-giving blanket actually made of? You might assume it's a complex cocktail of gases, but the truth is much simpler. About 99% of our atmosphere is composed of just two gases. A whopping 78% is nitrogen, and 21% is the oxygen we all need to survive. Everything else, including argon, carbon dioxide, neon, and all the other trace gases, makes up that tiny remaining 1%. So the next time you take a deep breath, remember you're mostly inhaling nitrogen. Speaking of breathing, what if I told you that you're constantly inhaling stuff from outer space? It's true. Every single day, hundreds of tons of cosmic dust, tiny particles from comets, asteroids, and other celestial bodies rain down through our atmosphere and settle on Earth's surface. This means that right now, you might be breathing in a microscopic speck of a long-gone comet. You are literally breathing space dust. How cool is that? Have you ever seen a shooting star and wondered why it glows so brightly? Most people think it's because of friction, but that's a common misconception. When a meteoroid enters our atmosphere at incredible speeds, it rapidly compresses the air in front of it. This intense compression heats the air to thousands of degrees, causing the meteoroid to glow brilliantly as it vaporizes. It's not friction, but a spectacular atmospheric pressure cooker that creates that beautiful streak across the night sky. Now let's talk about temperature. We all know Antarctica is the coldest place on Earth's surface, but it has nothing on the stratosphere. High up in this atmospheric layer, temperatures can plummet to an absolutely frigid minus 60 degrees Celsius or minus 76 degrees Fahrenheit. That's colder than any naturally recorded temperature on the ground. So while we're bundled up in our winter coats, the air way above us is experiencing a deep freeze that's truly out of this world. Here's a fact that connects you to all of history. The air we breathe is ancient and has been recycled for billions of years. The atoms in our atmosphere are constantly moving and mixing. This means that some of the very same air molecules you just inhaled could have been breathed by a Tyrannosaurus rex, or by historical figures like Cleopatra or Leonardo da Vinci. You are sharing the same air with every living thing that has ever existed on this planet. Mind-boggling, right? Ever look up and admire the beautiful blue sky? Well, you have the atmosphere to thank for that. Without it, our sky would be pitch black, just like on the moon. The blue color we see is the result of a phenomenon called Rayleigh scattering, where air molecules scatter the blue wavelengths of sunlight more than other colors, making it visible to our eyes. So that gorgeous blue dome above us is really just an atmospheric light show. Get ready for a shocking number. How often do you think lightning strikes the Earth? Maybe a few thousand times a day? Not even close. Lightning strikes our planet an estimated 8 million times every single day. That breaks down to about 100 lightning bolts hitting somewhere on Earth every single second. Our atmosphere is an incredibly electric and dynamic place, constantly crackling with energy. So, how far up does the atmosphere actually go? It technically extends over 10,000 kilometers, or more than 6,000 miles, into space. However, it gets thin very quickly. In fact, 99% of the atmosphere's total mass is found within the first 30 kilometers, or about 19 miles above the Earth's surface. Beyond that, the air becomes so incredibly thin that you're essentially in a vacuum of space. Finally, where does our atmosphere end and space begin? There's actually an officially recognized boundary called the Kármán line, named after the brilliant engineer Theodor von Kármán. It's located at an altitude of 100 kilometers, or about 62 miles above sea level. Once you cross that line, you are considered an astronaut. It's the invisible border separating our world from the vast cosmos beyond. And there you have it. 10 mind-bending facts that show just how amazing and complex our atmosphere truly is. It's so much more than just empty air. If you enjoyed this journey through the skies, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content that makes you see the world differently. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.